Today I'm making chicken rice to enjoy with roasted pork ribs from my previous video. Although chicken rice usually evokes chicken with rice, today's recipe is just the rice. This recipe is for 10 servings. The ingredients needed are 5 cups of jasmine rice, 4 liters of water for stock, 2 large chicken carcasses and some chicken feet, 140 grams of chicken fat which was requested from the chicken seller. These fat were trimmed from the skinless chicken. 4 pandan leaves, 30 grams of garlic peeled and smashed, 3 tablespoons of onion oil, 30 grams of ginger peeled and sliced, 3/4 tablespoon of salt, 4 tablespoons of crispy fried shallots, 2 stalks of spring onions, and char siew yolk chicken or any meat of your choice. The full list of ingredients is in the see more link. First, blanch the chicken carcass, feet and fat in a pot of water over medium heat for 10 minutes. This removes the impurity and blood from the chicken, which makes the stock very clear. Cover the pot. After 10 minutes, the water starts boiling vigorously and a lot of impurity have been released. Turn the chicken if it is not fully submerged. Switch off the heat, remove the chicken from the pot and discard the water. Rinse the chicken. Then, in a deep stock pot, add all the chicken, 4 liters of water, and half of the ginger slices. Cover the pot and let it cook for 2 hours over medium-low heat. This extracts the essence and flavor from the chicken into the stock. After 2 hours, the stock is ready. Notice that the chicken oil have been extracted from the fat and are floating on the stock surface. The chicken carcass is also really soft. Switch off the heat and rest it for 1 hour to cool slightly without stirring. This allows the chicken oil to clump together for easy extraction. After 1 hour, the stock has slightly cooled. The oil are now big blobs on the surface of the stock. Do not stir as the blobs will separate. With a spoon, gently remove the oil from the surface. Alright, we have removed almost all of the chicken oil from the stock. There is about 150 ml of oil and some stock here. Set aside. Next, with a slotted ladle, remove all the chicken pieces. They can be discarded as most of the essence has been extracted. Then, strain the stock through a sieve. The leftover stock can be kept aside as the soup. We have chicken oil and about 1 liter of stock here. Then, make note of the pandan leaf so they will fit our rice cooker. Rinse the raw rice a few times to remove the excess starch and dirt. Add all the rice to a rice cooker, all the crushed garlic and the rest of the ginger. Spread all the knotted pandan leaf. Sprinkle about half tablespoon of salt over the rice, 1 tablespoon of onion oil, all the chicken fat and 1 liter of chicken stock. Give it a stir to evenly distribute the salt and other ingredients. By right, 5 cups of water should be slightly more, around this level. As this is not enough liquid to cook the rice, I am adding another 200 ml of chicken stock. Now the finger test. The traditional old school way is always the best for me. Alright, there is enough water. I am adding a pair of wooden chopsticks as this rice cooker tends to be quite messy when rice is cooking. This is optional. Switch on the rice cooker and let it cook for 15 minutes. After about 10 minutes, give the rice a stir to rotate some of the ingredients that are floating at the top. As the rice cooks, it will absorb the stock and the liquids will reduce. After 15 minutes, the rice has cooked completely. Cover the pot and let it rest for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, our rice is done. It is so fragrant and fluffy. Give it a gentle stir. Brush the side of a bigger bowl or basin with some onion oil. Transfer all the rice to the bowl to stir and loosen the rice easily. Now the folded pandan leaf can be removed easily. Garnish with half of the crispy fried shallots. And drizzle with the rest of the onion oil. Stir gently to mix it evenly. Avoid stirring vigorously to prevent the rice grain from breaking. Alright, it is well mixed now and it smells so good. Let's try it. Wow, this is good. Transfer the rice back to the rice pot to keep it warm. Sprinkle the rest of the crispy fried shallots. Now our rice is ready to be served. I am serving this rice with some roast pork rib, boiled choy sum, spring onion, wonton mee sauce, chicken chili sauce, and soup. Let's eat! So good! The rice has a subtle chicken flavor and it's very tasty. Once completely cooled, it can be kept in the fridge for a day. Reheat before serving. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!